Hey, it's Janet here.
And Brett.
And we have our very cool new bikes.
And shoes.
Oh, and shoes. And we've got a bit of an announcement to make. We have decided to go on a trip in 2004 from...
No, well, I'm going to go 2024 myself. But
2024. We have decided to ride along the coast of America, the west coast, starting in Vancouver and all the way through to the Mexico border. Meet my new bike. Very excited. I've called it Wild Thing. I have purchased a Specialized, and it is the Diverge, and it's one sexy looking bike. Look at that, and it even matches my bikepacking bike, same color, which is a Scott Spark, all set up with Amy Kwong's amazing bags from Paper Roads Aotearoa. Just wanted something a little bit lighter. Really weird riding a
cyclocross bike. No, a gravel bike.
Wrong way. Have to get used to all the gears again. Hey Brett.
Hey Janet, how's it going?
How do you like? Oh my goodness, look at those bright yellow shoes that Brett's picked out. I think you'll see him. Yeah, this is my new bike.
And new shoes.
We're hoping that they are going to be just right for our journey. The ride that we're doing is around about 3,000 kilometres with 32,000 metres to elevation, and most of it will be on the road along the coast of America. So here's hoping. Just back from our first ride, and the things I've noticed far out, absolutely loving this suspension here. And if you push down like that, see how it goes up and down. Oh my goodness, my hands feel amazing. I didn't feel any bumps along the road. We didn't go anywhere too rough, but yeah, just so much better.